Has the camera industry completely forgotten about crop sensor professional photographers? For the last few years, it certainly felt like it. If you shoot wildlife or fast sports, you were practically forced to drop massive cash on heavy full-frame systems just to get the latest autofocus and video features. But what if I told you the ultimate flagship is not just real, but its leaked specs will completely destroy the mirrorless hierarchy? Welcome back to TechVibe. Today, we are diving deep into the biggest camera leak of 2026. The Nikon Z90 is coming, bringing features previously reserved for Hollywood cinema rigs and $4,000 flagship bodies. We are talking internal red RAW video, a groundbreaking 33-megapixel stack sensor, and speed that will make Sony and Canon executives sweat. You need to hear every detail, especially the rumored pricing at the end, because it will make you rethink your next purchase. Let us start with the absolute core of this beast. The market has been comfortably stagnant, recycling the same 26-megapixel sensors year after year. Nikon is rewriting the rulebook by introducing a newly developed 33-megapixel DX format stacked CMOS sensor. If you have never shot with a stacked sensor, you need to understand why this is monumental. Traditional sensors read data line by line. When tracking a fast falcon diving for prey, that fraction of a second difference causes the image to warp, creating the dreaded rolling shutter effect. A stacked sensor features integrated memory directly on the chip, reading data almost instantly. The result is absolutely zero rolling shutter. Your fast action photos remain flawlessly pristine, and your electronic viewfinder never blacks out, allowing seamless subject tracking during massive burst rates. That 33-megapixel resolution is the perfect sweet spot for a crop sensor camera. For wildlife and sports shooters, reach is everything. By utilizing the 1.5 times crop factor, your standard 600mm lens instantly transforms into a 900mm equivalent. Because you have 33 million pixels of dense data, you can crop your image even further in post-production to isolate the perfect moment. Your final image will still have more than enough resolution to print beautifully without degrading into a pixelated mess. Combine this with next-generation back-illuminated architecture, and low-light capabilities will rival cameras costing twice as much. All that resolution means nothing if the camera cannot process the sheer volume of data. Nikon is equipping the Z90 with the exact same X7 processor driving their legendary Z8 and Z9 models. The processing power is staggering. You can shoot 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter. But when you switch to the electronic shutter, the Z90 unleashes an unbelievable 120 frames per second. Imagine capturing 120 full-resolution images in a single second. Whether you are capturing a batter connecting with a baseball or a kingfisher breaking the water's surface, missing the shot is virtually impossible. To manage this insane speed, the autofocus inherits Nikon's top-tier deep learning artificial intelligence algorithms. You no longer have to fight the camera. The AI automatically detects, recognizes, and locks onto human eyes, dogs, cats, birds, cars, and airplanes. The 3D tracking is so sticky that testers report it handles chaotic, high-contrast environments with absolute ease. If tracking a cheetah running through tall grass, the focus box will not jump to distracting foreground blades of grass. It calculates the trajectory, holds focus, and perfectly tracks the animal's eye through the clutter. We must address the feature making the filmmaking community pay attention. Following Nikon's highly publicized acquisition of Red Digital Cinema, the industry eagerly waited to see Red's legendary color science integrated into consumer cameras. According to reliable leaks, the Z90 will offer internal 12-bit RedCode RAW video recording. This is a massive paradigm shift. You do not need to attach heavy external monitors or deal with cumbersome cables for maximum dynamic range. You capture Hollywood-grade RAW video directly to your internal memory card. Expect heavily oversampled 4K video at 60 frames per second with zero sensor crop, delivering incredibly crisp footage. For slow-motion enthusiasts, it comfortably pushes 4K at 120 frames per second. Furthermore, insiders point toward a 6K open-gate recording mode, utilizing the entire sensor's aspect ratio. This gives editors massive flexibility to reframe shots for widescreen YouTube videos and vertical social media reels simultaneously. Add in full 10-bit N-Log profiles and a redesigned internal heat management system, and you have a hybrid camera that will not overheat during rigorous documentary shoots in the blazing sun. A powerful camera requires a professional body. The spiritual predecessor, the Nikon D500, was famous for being virtually indestructible, and the Z90 continues that legacy. Forget the cheap plastic feel of entry-level bodies. This camera utilizes a premium magnesium alloy chassis protected by extensive weather-sealed gaskets. Whether caught in a torrential downpour or shooting in sub-zero alpine blizzards, the Z90 is built to withstand the elements. Nikon also prioritized ergonomics. The Z90 features a deeply contoured, substantial grip that perfectly balances heavy telephoto glass, allowing you to shoot comfortably all day. To handle massive data rates of raw bursts and internal red RAW video, Nikon included dual card slots. The primary slot is a blazing fast CF Express Type B, ensuring your buffer clears instantly. The secondary slot is a UHS-2 SD card slot, providing crucial redundancy so you never lose client files. The back features a fully articulating ultra-high-resolution touchscreen, paired with a stunning 3.69 million OLED electronic viewfinder remaining completely blackout-free during continuous shooting. When comparing this leaked spec sheet to the market, it is clear Nikon wants to dominate. The Sony A6700 is fantastic but lacks an autofocus joystick, has only one memory card slot, and suffers from noticeable rolling shutter. The Fujifilm X-H2S is a video powerhouse, but its autofocus tracking still occasionally hunts in high-stakes scenarios. The Z90 merges the blisteringly fast stack sensor speed of Fujifilm with the flawless autofocus of the Nikon Z9, wrapping it in a rugged professional body. It is designed to be the undisputed APS-C king. What is the damage to your wallet, and when can you hold this masterpiece? Current roadmaps point to an official launch in late 2026, as Nikon rigorously polishes the firmware. The most shocking leak of all is the price. Industry whispers confidently place the body-only retail price right between $1,799 and $1,999. You are essentially getting a mini Nikon Z8 for half the price. Will you be upgrading to the Z90, or are you too invested in Sony or Canon to switch? Let your voice be heard in the comments below. Thank you for spending time with TechVibe today. To stay strictly ahead of the curve on the latest tech news, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Keep shooting, stay inspired, and we will catch you in the very next video.